I was in the middle of making a post. I have it right here, and I'll add something to it later. But I was in the middle of making this post, and I realized that just writing it, people might not see it, and then they might not understand, and I felt like it just needed more of an explanation. So I decided this year that I wanted to do a Christmas yarn advent calendar. I couldn't find one that really spoke to me, so I decided to make my own. So this isn't for purchase anywhere, or I mean, you could do the same thing that I did. I don't know if you get it in time right now, but you could do it. It's entirely possible. Sure, they would love that. But anyways, it's not affiliated with anyone. I purchased it with my own money. Everything's just me, and well, Amber too, because she helped with it. So yeah, so I'll tell you a little bit about it. I'm really excited, as you can tell, as when I get excited about things, I start talking really quickly, and sometimes it's hard to understand me, so I'll slow down a little bit. Anywho, so I'm really excited. I decided to make my own yarn advent calendar. A couple of months ago, I was on what is the website? The Polka Dot Creek Yarn website. If you haven't checked them out, go check them out. I truly love their yarn. Again, not sponsored or affiliated or anything like that. I just simply love their yarn. It's great. They're located in Alberta. Go check them out. They're fun. They ship, I think, all over Canada and I think the US, but I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me. Anyways, so I was on their website and I was checking out some of their sales that they had, and they had this little section. They make these little yarn bouquets, so it's 6 mini skeins of yarn in this little bouquet, and they do them for like all the different seasons, and they just had a sales section where they had a bunch of these skeins in there, and they had like on their page they had all the numbers listed and everything like that. It was very well organized. I just totally looked past that and saw an option to kind of make my own little DIY advent calendar, and I was really excited about that. So I decided just to pick 2 random numbers from the little drop down list, and I picked 2, and then they sent it to me. Well, picked 2, paid for it, sent it to me. And then I got Spider Dad and Small Human to check to confirm that I had 12 skeins, and then I sent it over to Amber for her to wrap up for me, because I was like, Amber, I want to do this thing, and she was like, I don't understand. Sure, what do you want me to do? And I was like, wrap these, make them Christmassy, have fun. And she was like, okie dokie, and did that. So she made me these beautiful little packages, added little fancy snowflakes and numbered each one. This one's number 11. So we'll see what that is when we unwrap it. So I'm really excited to unwrap these. Sorry for all the noise. But yeah, so what I'm going to do starting December 13th, I believe. So we'll go from the 13th to the 24th. I think that's 12 days. If it's not 12 days, I'll correct it and I'll put a little dummy post here. But yeah, so we'll start on December 13th and I'll go to the 24th, and then on the 25th, I'll show you how I decorated with it. We might do the royal we. I might do either 24 or just 12, like little lights, dependent on how much time I have. Because, it's Christmas time. Everybody's busy. It happens. But anyway, so I decided to do yarn advent calendar, and then the pattern that I'm going to do with it, I was looking around and I was like, what can I do for just like random things that are, one, easy, relatively easy to do. It won't take me a lot of time to do it because, time is money. And that will also still be cute and kind of on the Christmassy side, but it can be any color, which is Cool. So I found a pattern from Hooked on Candy. It's their friendly fairy lights. And it'll make this cool little garland of lights. They all have little faces on them, so we'll see if I get to that or not. But there'll be lights. For sure there will be lights. And there'll be all kinds of different colors. So I'll do one of each, and then if I have more time, I would like to do like a 24th so that I could actually like wrap it around the tree and add that to my creepy Christmas tree, which will be coming soon. This will be released both on our Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube channel. If you haven't checked out our YouTube channel, go check out Dottie Dolt Co on YouTube. I will the link is in our bio in the little link tree thing. You can go check it out. Subscribe, do all that kind of things. We really want to boost up our YouTube channel, so check it out. If you're seeing this on our YouTube and aren't a part of our Instagram or Facebook or any of those things, like, what are you doing? And come and check out and be a part of our little Bat Cave, Bat family, on Instagram, Facebook, and all the other places. We have things on all of the things, so come check them out. Also, we have cute coffin Christmas earrings in stock on our website, and a whole bunch of other Christmas creepy things, creepy Christmas earrings. Or if you're not into the creepy Christmas, we also have fun, amazing garlands. You can go check them out. But anyways, back to this. I'm excited, very, very excited. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that more, but probably about 10 more times. So come check it out. We'll see you soon. Okay, bye.